Okay guys, about working in the shop today, so you'll have to excuse how windy it is. But anyways, no live stream today. But let's check this out. What we have here is a chunk of 2x4. 2x4, or as your beekeeper would say, 2x4. And this is the start of a copper wire stripper I'm going to make. I saw someone else make something like this on YouTube, so I'm going to try it myself. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a series of holes across here, and then up the top I'm going to drill a series of holes to go down and meet those ones. And then what you do is you put a drywall screw or something, a deck screw with a nice sharp point on it. You feed it through so it just cuts through your wire and pull it through. So I have this old drill press that's been sitting here for years. I don't even know if it works. So let me get set up and we'll get at it. Okay guys, it's taken some experimenting here. My main problem is can't find a chuck key to change the different size bits. So I drilled the holes here, and then I come through the top and drilled the holes, but the problem I had with that is the holes were too big. So I tried, like I said, I've been experimenting, so I cut a little slot there and tried putting a razor blade knife in there, but that won't work. So I come down the other end and I drilled a hole, and then I just fed the screw through without drilling a pilot hole first. The reason why I was thinking about drilling the pilot hole so that I could keep that tip as sharp as possible. So anyways, I don't have a tripod here. I don't know how this is going to work. So basically you feed it through one end here, you tighten this down in to cut into that. Now this board that I have the holes in for the wire stripper, I'm going to clamp it to my sawhorse or to the workbench here. Just grab a hold of this with a pair of pliers or whatever. Oh, I think I went through too far that time. Let's back that screw off a little bit. About a quarter turn. I'm going to try pulling again. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, that's way too thick, deep in there. Let's back her off a little more. Let's give it another pull. Not time I backed it off too much, but we'll see. But anyways, you're getting the gist of it. Where are we here? Where's my cutters? Obviously, if I wasn't doing this for video's sake, I'd be a little more gentle here and do it properly, but I hate editing, so once you pull it through, you just pull the copper or the plastic coating back so you can get a good grip on the copper, and then just, you can see how badly I screwed it up by putting the screw in too deep. See, you can go too deep. And then you just strip it. Yeah, I messed this one up real bad, but we got it going through all the way. That's a little faster anyways than trying to strip it by hand with a knife. But anyways guys, I'm going to tweak this here and try a few more strands and see if I can get this going right. If I get it going right, I'll film some more. If not, I won't. Well guys, it semi-worked if I wanted to continue with it that way. I stripped some wire with it, but my hands are all cut up, so you know what? I'm going to buy a proper wire stripper off eBay. Anyways guys, thanks for watching my videos. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you check in the description, there will be some links down there if you'd like to check them out. Be my guest.